All right, that was our Sara Lee family size pound cake, and we're gonna just place that to the side, bring back in the little tin that comes with the pound cake. We have some plastic wrap that we are going to place into our loaf pan, just like so. All right, once we have our plastic wrap on there, we're gonna go ahead and add our bottom slice of our loaf cake that we cut into 3 pieces right back in there. And now I'm coming in with some ice cream. Now I am starting off with my chocolate chip cookie dough, but use whatever ice cream you like, and we're gonna add about 1 cup of ice cream right on top of that pound cake. Now I let my ice cream soften just a little bit so that this would be easier to manipulate. And we're gonna go ahead and get our 1 cup on there. Grab a spatula and smooth that out into 1 layer. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so yummy. It's the perfect dessert for summer. If you need something quick, easy, and yummy for like a pool party, for a picnic, a barbecue, this is gonna be the dessert for you. And like I mentioned, you can use whatever ice cream you like. Just make sure you spread it from edge to edge. Okay, that looks good enough. And call me crazy, but we are gonna add some Reese's Mini right in there. And you can crush these up a little bit, but I'm just gonna put them right on top. You don't need too much of it because there's already enough sugar in the cake and in the ice cream, but we're gonna make sure we spread it out so that we have a good amount of these in our layer, and kind of smush them into the ice cream so that it's a little bit flatter. I know that those cookie dough pieces might get in the way, but that looks great. Now we can come back in with another slice of our pound cake and put it right on top, kind of smush that in there. It's okay if it's a heaping. And then we're gonna come in with our second ice cream flavor, which is Rocky Road. Now this one is my favorite, especially if you've ever had the Haagen-Dazs Rocky Road, because it has that marshmallow cream in it instead of actual marshmallows, and it is life-changing. I used to eat this ice cream like every day growing up because it was my favorite. Now, obviously, if you have anyone at your party with nut allergies, use a nut-friendly ice cream. You could also just use the same ice cream for each flavor, but I wanted this to be fun. I wanted it to be filled with surprises, and that Haagen-Dazs ice cream was on sale for like the cheapest price I've ever seen it. So I was like, I'm gonna indulge, I'm gonna get the good stuff, and everyone is gonna love this. Okay, and we're just spreading out that layer just like we did with the cookie dough, making sure that we get it from edge to edge. And you guys know we have a surprise coming up. This is full of surprises. All right, that looks good. Now we have our mini Oreos. Yep, you heard that right. And we are gonna just put those right into our Rocky Road ice cream. We are adding all of the sweet treats, everything that I love, all in one dessert. Doesn't this look absolutely insane?
Oh my gosh, I love mini Oreos too.
All right, and we're just kind of sporadically putting them in there just like we did with the Reese's cups. So we have our chocolate, our Oreos, our cookie dough, our peanut butter cups. I mean, you could stop here and everyone would love it, but that's not what we're gonna do because I am extra. We're gonna add our last layer of our pound cake, smash it in there. Like I said, it's gonna be heaping by the time we're done with this. You could top this with Cool Whip and be done, but I am not done. Like I said, the Haagen-Dazs was on sale, so we are adding a layer of cookies and cream. Oh yeah, and we're just gonna do the same thing we did with all the other ice creams. We are gonna add about a cup of our ice cream right on top of that pound cake. Ooh, that one's melting quick. We gotta be fast with this. Grab our spatula and just go at it, making sure that it stays on top of that pound cake so that we don't make too much of a mess. But trust me, once this all freezes together and we cut into all those layers, you're gonna be like, oh my goodness, this is the best cake I've ever seen. And it's not even homemade. It is semi-homemade and it is amazing. So let's get this layer all spread out. Okay, that looks beautiful. And you're wondering, how is that gonna stay on top of our cake? And this is how. We have our chocolate magic shell. Now you have to shake this a lot in order for it to work properly. So give it a very good shake for about like 10 seconds. And then this comes out super fast. And we're just gonna pour that right on top of our ice cream. Oh, this looks so good. And we are gonna spread it out, so don't worry about that. Okay, now I know this looks absolutely insane, and that is why we're gonna come in with our mini M&Ms. These colorful little treats make everything look prettier, and we are just sprinkling that right on top. That hardening shell is already starting to harden. We are gonna pop this in the freezer as fast as we can so that we don't get any more melted ice cream. We're first gonna pop it into the freezer uncovered for about 5 minutes. And once that shell has completely hardened, we will cover it up with our plastic wrap. So keep that in mind. But this is ready to be put in the freezer. It wants to be put in the freezer. So let's go ahead and put it there. All right, we just took this out of the freezer. It was in there for about 4 hours. Now we can go ahead and unwrap it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's cut into it. Look at that. I mean, come on, ice cream cake on to the next level. We have cookie dough, Rocky Road, cookies and cream. We have those Reese's cups in there. We have our Oreos. I'm so excited.
Dang, that looks so good.
Are you jealous?
Yeah, that you get to eat it right now?
That I made it?